Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are talking about the latest episode of Isingane Lengane. I believe guys this was the last episode for the season. I stand to be corrected. I'm just not so sure. But if it was not, it was the second last. If this was not the last episode of the season, then it should be the second last episode of the season. And all I'm gonna say, this season was just full of intlambanje. Like one thing I must say about Isingane Lengane, it has no substance. Like yes, you can draw, like you can learn certain lessons from Abotando's decisions, but besides that, you guys, like Ayaki, this show Ayaki, and quite frankly, the only reason why it's on Moja Live is just for entertainment. It's just for entertainment, and at this point, I believe Usiatlela Notando, they enjoy creating the drama because remember, guys, these people, Usiatlela Notando, they don't have jobs. They are making money off of the show. So that's why this show will keep on going and they will keep on bringing drama because that's their money. But we must keep that in mind ukuthi bazenzele imali, and when you watch the show you must not even expect ukuthi you're going to learn something because it's all entertainment. Yes, maybe there might be truth to which delela, because I don't think abantu abadala they would speak lies like that. I do believe ukuthi vele delela, but they are benefiting out of this and they are making a lot of money, you guys, out of this show. So yeah, so this latest episode starts with Tando's mother speaking to a friend, basically saying ukuthi ufuna ukulanda ingane yakhe kwaDlamuka for iveki. She wants to ufuna ukuthi Thando ashawe umoya aze eThekwini. And I'm just like, sometimes I feel like uThembi Nkosi noMakathando, they should have stayed together because the way they think, like kwaDlamuka guys, kwaDlamuka, yes, banezinto zabo, but they've got a little bit of order. So uMakathando meke sithi ufuna umlanda for iveki, and if akavuma uThando, then she's going to force her into the car by force, because she cannot stay endaweni where uSiyacela is basically rejecting her and akamfuni. So she wants uThando aze eThekwini, and then for her head ukuthi her head ashawe umoya kancane eThekwini. And I'm like, the vibes that it's giving, the way Makathando is speaking, it's like she's saying she wants uThando ukuthi aze eThekwini, and then Thando must see that there's life beyond and outside uSiyacela ukuthi usemncane. Thando's mother's like the type, she seems like the type of mothers that will encourage her child to either cheat or encourage her child to. Because I'm like, what's the point of taking uThando for ivig? What is the point? Because uThando at this point, even le etayena waDlamuka, they said uThando siyamazi. She's never gonna leave uSiyacela. So what will be the point? Because uThando is gonna go back to Siyacela and then atshela uSiyacela, hey, uma uthe nokuthi, and then Siyacela is gonna be angry at the mother. Then, like, that's what uThando does. She speaks bad about her own family to her own husband, and that's why I feel sometimes Siyacela treats uThando the way he does, because he doesn't respect uThando's family. Makathando said something. She said, phela uSiyacela mekathuka ingane yami uthuka mina, meaning that when uSiyacela swears her child, which is uThando, he's swearing her. And I'm like, well, that's right, because uSiyacela has said time and time again ukuthi he doesn't respect Thando's mother. When he looks at Makathando, he looks at her as a strike mate. That's why sometimes he treats Thando like that, because that's his view of uThando's mother. So uSiyacela doesn't respect anything in uThando, because Thando goes back and tells her husband everything that's going on. So I don't see the point ukuthi Makathando ukuthi ayolanda ingane, ayolanda uThando, because uThando at the end of the day, she's married, you guys. She's married, she has her own life, and I feel like if uThando wants a break, she should be the one that's saying, you know what, bengicela ukuthi ngize laphayana eThekwini. Not that uMakathando like wants to come and amcele and whatnot, whereas we don't even know if Uthando needs that. Well, she does need that, but we don't know if she wants that. Because quite frankly, Uthando looks like she just wants to be close to a man ukuthi azigadele indoda yakhe. And then Makathando athi phela mina ngiyamzala uSiyacela angimsabi. It's just that uMakaSiyacela washada ikhehla. That's why kubukeka ingathi like, you know, ukuthi like uSiyacela like is beyond her control. And I'm just like, why? That's how I'm saying uMakathando, I feel like yena benoThembi Nkosi, they should have got married together. Because why was it necessary for her to bring uMakaSiyacela into the conversation ukuthi washada ikhehla in like kungenaphi lokho? Like, that I was just like, this woman nje. And then anyway, uSiyacela he goes on to say ukuthi yena he's thinking of turning the church. So remember, Ubaba uDlamuka, guys, he had a church. And you know what? One of the sad things is that Ubaba uDlamuka, he looked like he looked like he was good in life when it comes to finance, you guys. And it's sad that now that he's gone, like a lot of the things are just gonna stand still in jail. Like it looks like izinto zawadlamuka, like nothing is moving. It's sad because kusho ukuthi yena, he was the only one who was holding up the whole Dlamuka household. Now that he's not there, everything will nje. They can't fix certain things in the yard because who's gonna do it? So Ubaba uDlamuka in the church, he was the pastor there. He was the one who was running a church. Now that he's no longer there, the church Batuti, or they were saying that there's 5 congregants will come to the church, so akunayusi vele. So uSiyacela ucabanga ukuthi azivulele ithaveni with their church, and then those 4 or 5 people, they can come hold a service egcekeni. But yeah, he wants to open a tavern, you guys, buy those church premises. At first I was just like, but at the end of the day, I'm just thinking, guys, like at this point, I feel like if he does open up a tavern, because at the end of the day, it's not his land, it's like the land yawadlamuka. I feel like if they do agree to open up a tavern, can it be a family business where some of the income is going to go back into the Dlamuka household and taking care of it, because it doesn't look like much people have an income, you guys. And it's sad, it's sad, but knowing uSiyacela, I don't foresee that happening. I foresee him possibly opening up a tavern and keeping all of the money to himself. Now, granted, yes, that would have been his capital and his money to start the business, but I just wish that these people bangasebenza ngokubambisana by thinking of something that's going to carry on or keep the household or keep the surname yawadlamuka standing, because at this point it doesn't look like there's hope, you guys. Umuntu uziphilela impilo yakhe, and it's quite sad because uDlamuka's vision, it didn't look like it was anything like that. And then lastly, the last scene of this episode is remember last episode they wanted to put Ispanja for uLubanzi. Lubanzi is Siyacela and Thando's son. He's so cute, you guys. So this episode they were continuing with that. uSiyacela, remember the last episode akabuyanga. So this episode batubuye ngo 3 a.m. ekuseni. Angazi ukuthi besenzani at 3 a.m. Me knowing uSiyacela, I just feel ukuthi udlule ezindaweni zakhe. So anyway, baqalile umsebenzi wakhona. And then they had a party for uLubanzi, a cute party. Lubanzi looked happy. Uthando was also happy that everything went well, to see her son happy. And then the episode yakhona iphela ngokuthi uMakathando uyavela emnyango at the end of the party. So my question then is, did Uthando even invite her own mother to Lubanzi's party? Because it doesn't look like it. But knowing Uthando, I know Thando doesn't have a heart like that, shame. So I don't think she did not invite the mother, I think ukuthi they didn't come on purpose. The people that I know for sure she did not invite is her father's family, which is the Tabete family. But yeah, Umagatando, that's why I say I feel sorry for Utando, because I feel like a lot of the people in her life, I don't feel like they have good intentions towards her, you guys, because you as the mother, Umagatando, why would you come so late to a child's party? And mo figure nakhona ufika like ingathi ubhekile, like what's going on? Like you're supposed to be there early helping out, but instead it's like Umagatando, she's jealous in a sense that uThando is earning money and maybe ucabanga ukuthi imali kaThando is going towards the Dlamuka household and not coming to her. Because that's the vibes that she's giving me. So I really hope she's not going to go and cause drama laphayana because siyamazi uMakathando ubuhlaza, and I'm sure she wins nomngane wakho ubuhlaza kabi. So I really hope she did not go there and cause any drama. And that's how the episode ended. So we'll see next week, guys. Is it the reunion or what is it? But if I would have to rate this season out of 10, maybe I'll give it a 4, because I mean there was nothing educational here. It was just ukthukana and intlamba and more stress nje. Anyway, you guys, tell me, what did you think of this episode? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.